Wyatt.
Wyatt?
Yeah.
Man, you're my people, you know that.
Yeah.
My name is Mongo.
Oh, nice
I'm an astronaut teacher. No, it's nice to meet you.
Oh, okay.
I'm so honored to be here.
Okay.
Hey, so I got a question, Wyatt.
Okay, what?
How do you feel? It's like a crazy question. Everybody's gonna lose their mind, but bear with me, okay? How do y'all feel about Mechanicsburg?
Oh, they suck.
Oh! Ouch! You got that on camera. Listen. All right. So how do y'all feel about West Liberty?
They're good. They're really good.
Well, everybody. All right. So listen. While we do this, you gotta track me. You can keep up with me.
Yeah, I got you.
This is fire right here. I'm in roll.
Stop. I got it.
You got me?
Yeah.
I got this new superpower in my hand, this powerful microphone.
Okay.
By the power of great soul, I am.
Where are you going?
Here we go. Okay, y'all ready to start the show? No joke. No joke. I'm not scared. I give you the opportunity. You can test me here. We get this. Oh my gosh, there's so much good news I got for you. First of all, let's start this. I see you. I see you. I see you.
This is the funniest thing.
My name is Mike Mongo, and I'm an astronaut teacher. That is the first thing that you need to know. Number one. Number two, I might as well say it. I had to work to get to West Liberty. There's 5 schools in the area. I get to be at 4 of them. I get to engage with students at 4 of the schools in Champaign County, in Urbana. And once I heard about West Liberty, and people are like, I don't know, they got Spear Week going on, there's all kinds of stuff. We don't know if we're going to be able to get you in there, Mike Mongo. You know, I've never been to Ohio. I've never been to the Midwest. So I'm here and you're here. And when you set your sights on something, there is nothing that can stop you. I'm speaking as a 54-year-old who is practicing this every single day. So if you've got an idea in your head, if there's something that you want to do, if there is something that you want to do, you hold on to that idea and you track it. And you surround yourselves, oh my gosh, and you surround yourselves with people that believe in your idea. And you move away from the people that don't believe in your idea, who don't support you. Yeah, it isn't the easiest thing in the entire world. Sometimes the people closest to us are the people that aren't believing in our idea. That could be who we are, that could be what we are, that could be what we want to be. And so that means you've got to change. It was funny because I was just talking with Shannon from Urbana University about how just 6 years ago, somebody told me that we are defined by the 5 people we have closest to us in our